Hi, today we will talk about joint variation. So let's look at the definition of that. When a quantity varies directly as the product of two more quantities, this one we call it the joint variation. And then it doesn't matter whether it's direct or inverse variation, but they can also include. Okay. So how do we know whether they joint variation or not? They vary jointly as x and y. So that means the set is directly proportional to x and y together, which is the product of that. Okay. And sometimes we may not have jointly this word. Let's see the example B. The set varies directly as x and inversely as y. So one for the x is direct variation, and this one is inverse variation. That means in the denominator. So that's why what we have set equals k x over y, and that's it. So it's together is a product. So if you can write this down, then you can solve the problems, all the questions from this chapter. So let's look at example 1. So it's given that A varies jointly as B and C cube. And then we want to find an equation connecting A, B, and C. So the keyword is to read this one. Jointly as B and C cube. So A equals K B C cube, where K is not 0. So this is the product, okay, varies directly, as a direct variation, and then the product of B and C cube. So you can put it back, 15, 24, 1/2, put it back. So 15, K 24, and 1/2, 3. Maybe a value K equals 5. So that's why A equals 5, B, C to the power 3. Okay. And then part B. So find the value of A. So when B equals 100, C equals 1/2, A equals 500, 1 over 5 power 3. So what's A? A equals 4. Is it clear? Let's look at example 2. So Q varies directly as square root U and inversely as R cube. The first part is to find the equations. So for this chapter, all the questions are most likely the same. The part A must ask you to find out the equation connecting Q, U, and R. It must be the first part, finding the equation first, and then to do the further calculations or further substitutions in the part B. So the Q varies directly, K square root U. Inversely, that means it's in the denominator, this one. So R to the power 3. Okay. And don't forget, A is a non-zero constant, so K is not 0. And then we can just put it back. Here equals 3, and then square root 144, 2 to the power 3, and then k equals 2. So that's why q equals 2 square root u over r to the power 3. This one. How about part B? Find the value of u when the q equals this one and r equals 4. So 1 over 8, and then k. And then the 2 here, square root u, and r to the power 3, 4 to the power 3. Okay. So 4 equals square root u, and u equals 16. That's it. So if you have this formula, so mainly for most of the questions, the first part is to finding the equation first. And second part is the substitution. Okay. And what I have to do is to read it carefully. What kind of variation is it? Is it jointly by what? Is direct or inverse? Okay. Let's look at example 3. So example 3 is about the percentage change. So this one may be a little bit difficult. So I will do the example and also one of the practice here. So let's see. It's given as w varies directly as s cubed and inversely as t squared, and so on. So this one we have the w varies directly. K s cubed inversely over t squared. This is the first one. K is not equal to 0. And then s decreased by 20% and then t is doubled. What's the percentage change? So if we modify the percentage change, let's recall the formula. 新減舊除舊 new value minus the old value over the old value times 100%. Okay. So if the what's the new s, what's the new t? We have to use the new s, the new t, and in order to find the new w. Decrease by 20%. I hope you understand 0.8 because 1 minus 0.2, only 0.8 left. And t is double, so 2t squared. Don't forget to include the bracket when you do your substitutions. And then we will have this one, ks3 over t squared. So what we need to find out is the number before that. What do I mean is the coefficient without this number. So how do we find it? Just calculate the number. So this one means 0.8 to the power 3 over 2 squared. Use your calculator and calculate the number before all the unknowns. Okay. So what you have will be 0.128 times the unknowns. 所以認翻個 percentage change。新減舊除舊，咁即係話咧係呢一個啦，再減舊嗰個啦，再乘100%。咁可以咧，呢一啲全部有晒減啦，就會變咗1。即係簡單啲嚟講咧，就係0.128減1除1就乘100%。咁就計到啦。即係計到咧-87.2%嘅，得唔得？咁即係其實咧，基本上咧，你就係做啲題目咧都常考嘅。咁就係你代翻入去，將新嘅 S、新嘅 T 一代入去。咁然之後咧就唔使理嗰啲字母啦，淨係將個數字咧撳機做翻啲加減乘除。然之後咧就係剩翻0.128個個人窿，本身係1個嘅，得翻0.128個嘅，咁所以你就計到係300除舊啦，就計到-87.2%得翻，得唔得？咁咧一係就試多題啦，3.2啦。咁都係第一樣啦，即刻咧就睇下佢係 directly 啊、inversely 啊有幾多個。咁有時會3個添嘅，咁佢而家通常問題係2個人窿啫。咁佢呢個 jointly 啦，因為係乘埋，佢中間冇任何字眼，咁就乘埋佢。咁所以 L 咧就係 K A square over B 就係咁啦。咁然之後佢揾 percentage change 嘅話咧，就係 new L。B 咧就要係得翻一半嘅，即係0.5咯。好啦，跟住咧又係啦，照抄呢個人窿，前面有得翻啲咩數字咧？就係你要揾嘅。咁就係2.42。好啦，咁 percentage change，新減舊除舊。咁就計到啦，正咧142%。好啦，咁你話唔寫正得唔得咧？咁我建議你寫埋佢，因為咧到 percentage change 咧，你 suppose 你唔寫咧，就係當係正嘅。不過我見大部分書咧，佢都係加埋個加號喺度嘅，即係你譬如你減，我肯定係要負啦。咁寫埋咧就穩陣啲，就費事俾人扣分。因為真係唔同老師咧，嗰個準則唔一樣嘅，我冇乜所謂嘅。我以前學都唔一定要寫個加嘅，咁但係我見啲書啊，全部啲考試嗰啲評卷咧都係有寫個加嘅，咁所以寫埋咧就穩陣啲咯。好，有問題。咁咧呢個咧就係嗰個 joint variation 啦。咁咧我想做多一題嘅。好，呢一個佢就話咧 so that 呢一個係個 constant。咁咧寫咗條問題先，跟住再解釋乜嘢係個 constant 先。 varies directly as 呢一個 and inversely as square root y，so that 係 constant。咁你跟呢一句咧，即刻自動波要識寫啦。好啦，寫完呢個之後，我點樣證明呢條式係 constant 咧？其實 constant 嘅意思即係一啲 k 嘅 expression， 一條 k 嘅式，只有 k 同埋數字嘅算式。即係話例如啲咩咧？例如我哋2k 啊 ，k 加1啊 ，k 加3除2啊，咁呢一啲咧就係個 constant 意思，即係不變嘅數字。咁一個不變嘅數字乘2都係不變嘅啫，一個不變嘅數字加1都係不變嘅啫，一個不變嘅數字加完3之後再除2都係不變嘅啫。咁所以呢條式無論點都好啦，其實佢都係一個不變數字嚟嘅，因為本身 k 係一個數字嚟嘅，佢點樣加減乘除？但係如果呢啲咧就唔係啦，譬如 x k 啊，k square 係嘅，譬如 y square 除 k 啊，咁呢兩個咧就唔係啦，因為 y 同 x 咧係可以代數字嘅，代唔同嘅數字落去，但係 k 咧就唔代啦嘛，k 得個 number 嘅啫嘛。好啦，咁我哋轉位啦，即係諗下要點樣將條式咧就轉過去變咗呢條式。咁好明顯咧，你就係見到譬如 set 啦 ，square root y 啦 ，over 翻 x 3次方咧就等於 k 嘅，得唔得？調位嘅，調位嘅。但係佢上下調轉喎，咁上下調轉嘅話，我咪跟住上下調轉咯。因為如果你呢個嘅話咧，其實係1/k，左邊上下調轉，右邊又會跟住上下調轉，就係咁啦。咁你一條呢條咧就係一條 k 嘅式啦，你見唔見到？1/k，咪同我哋頭先嗰啲例子其實咪一模一樣咯，得 k 同埋數字嘅式啊嘛。咁所以佢都係一個不變嘅數字啊，有問題。咁咧我要收功課啊，因為停課你都知啦，停到4月20號。咁咧一定要做翻啲功課交翻，咁我要落 record 嘅。咁就做5題先啦，呢度6、7、8、9、10，做喺 single line paper。應該你呢啲咧，我諗15分鐘，10至15分鐘應該都做晒㗎啦。唔該你哋一張啊，一張就做晒佢，咁我可以方便啲改。有問題？大概就10至15分鐘就做得晒㗎啦。OK，咁我 upload 翻去 Google Classroom 嗰度。喂，咁仲有人咧未入 Google Classroom 嘅，你幫我嗌佢哋再入翻咁就得啦。咁我會同阿姚樂軒啦去主要聯絡嘅。